Peace, good afternoon everyone. I hope you have an amazing day out there. Today I'm going to be making some butterfly pea tea. Yes, that's right, butterfly pea tea. Sea moss, I got my agave. I love agave. This is a natural sweetener, so if you're looking for a natural sweetener and you want to get rid of that white sugar, this is what you need, some original agave. And I got my butterfly pea tea here. Look how beautiful and blue that is. So butterfly pea tea is good for your overall health. It's good for hair health, like if you want stronger hair, thicker hair, it's good for that. It keeps your skin health nice and supple. Yeah, so we want to get into that. And then it also is good for if you just want a good tea to help you relax. So that's why we just gonna make us some of this good old butterfly pea tea. So I got my sea moss here. And put your 2 tablespoons of sea moss in your cup. Stir it up real good. Add my agave. So I just put how much, I don't put a lot of agave. The reason why I'm doing this step is because I don't want my sea moss to be floating around in my tea. So if I go ahead and stir it up with my agave, it just it breaks it down. Pour my tea. It was so good. Yes, so you can come and get your butterfly pea tea at 1953 Jake Alexander Boulevard. That's West Suite B, and that's Bigg On Natural Beauty. Come and get it here. Peace.